Tired of constantly traveling to repair your clients' Macs? We have a solution for reviving and restoring unresponsive Macs remotely. You should know that you no longer have to be physically present during this process. You can do it remotely, even if the technician is in another country. For this, we'll be using an amazing and very convenient utility. FlexiHub allows you to share your USB and COM port devices over the network. This means you can connect a Mac, iPhone, or iPad, or any another devices in LA, and your computer in New York will think the device is physically connected to it. Now let me show you how to restore an unresponsive Mac remotely. You'll need the problematic computer, a well-functioning Mac, and an intermediary device like an Android smartphone or any PC or Mac. First, we need to download FlexiHub on an intermediary device. To do this, visit the developer's website and register for an account. The download link will be available there, or you can find a direct download link below this video. After registering and logging into the program, you'll need to connect both devices, in my case, a Pixel smartphone, to the service computer using a cable. This is important because your smartphone will transmit all the necessary information for recovery to your work Mac. Then, on the service Mac, press and hold 4 keys: OPT plus Control plus Right Shift plus Power button, or Touch ID on laptops, to enter DFU mode for 10 seconds. Take your intermediary device and allow DFU connection. Next, download Apple Configurator on your working Mac from the App Store. This program allows you to restore physically connected Apple devices, but with the magic of FlexiHub, we'll do it remotely. On your phone, you'll see the device that is connected. On the other Mac, you need to click the Connect button to establish a connection with the broken Mac through FlexiHub. Go to your device and make all what you need: revive or restore. It's that simple. It's so easy that even your friend could help you out with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful. See you next time.